Today we learn the best method to gain followers on Instagram, to get likes on Instagram, YouTube views, YouTube subscribers, TikTok followers, and all social media following at a very, very cheap rate. So first of all, go to your Chrome browser. I will go to my Chrome browser. Click on the URL and search for instaghana.com. This service works for everyone in Ghana or even outside Ghana. So this is the website. So you close this and you scroll and click on sign up. So you're going to create an account. If I click on sign up, it tells me welcome, you've signed up successfully. It sends me to my dashboard. So in this dashboard, this is where you can see any orders that you have made recently. So far I have not made any orders. So I am going to add some money to my account so that I can order for some Instagram likes and some Instagram followers. This is how I go about it. I click on this, then I click on add funds. You can see you can add funds using MTN, Vodafone, Airtel, and you can also use MasterCard and Visa. So the minimum amount allowed is $30, 30 Ghana cedi. So I input the minimum amount I want, and then I click yes, I understand. I won't ask for fraudulent chargeback, so I click on pay. You can see here you can choose the network. So the network that I am using is Airtel. So you just input your Airtel number. You input in this format starting with 233. So I'll input my number. After you input your number, you just click on pay, click on proceed. You see it sends me an OTP on WhatsApp. I can enter the OTP and the funds will be added to my account. My payment was successful, and now you can see I have a balance of $2. So I'm going to use this balance to order for Instagram likes. I go back, I go to my home page, I select Instagram. Now I want to order for some followers to this Instagram page, and also I want to order for some likes, maybe to this post. You see this post has 3,449 likes. I'm going to order for some likes, so I click on this button, I click on copy link. I have copied the link to the post. I come back to the website, click on the three lines at the top, click on new order. After I select new order, you choose a category. So I want Instagram likes. I scroll down until I find Instagram likes. These are the Instagram likes. You can select refill. So refill means if there is any drop, it will be refilled. So the service, you choose 0.11. Any service works. So that means that $0.11 will give me 1,000 likes. So you see I paste the link there, the link that I had copied. I click on the quantity, I input any amount that I want. So you see 1,000 likes cost $0.11. So I place the order, and that is it. You just wait for a few minutes. You wait for like 5 minutes or 3 minutes. We can just go back and look at the post. So this is the post we have ordered likes for. It has 3,449 likes. Let us see. In a span of seconds, you see that it is already 4,449 likes. I am also going to order for some followers. Right now it has 9,781 followers. I'm going to order for some followers. So I click on copy profile URL. I go back to the website, click on category. Now I select Instagram followers. So you can see Instagram followers guaranteed. You can just select it, then choose the service. You can choose the one that is $1.4 cost. That is 1,000. Every price on this website is per 1,000. For example, if it is $1.4, that means 1,000 followers cost $1.4. So I am going to input the amount. So $1.4. So I am ordering for 1,000 followers at $1.4. I place order. And that is it. You just wait for your service to be delivered. This website offers very many services such as Instagram, YouTube, all these services that you see here, Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, Spotify. All these services are working perfectly and they are very cheap and they are delivered in a few minutes. So let's go to the account. It is 9,781. Just wait for a few minutes and you'll see it rise. So you can see right now the time is 8:28. Just check how long it will take for me to receive the followers. So right now it's 9,781 followers. So right now if you refresh, it's already 9,849. Refresh again, 9,925. If you refresh again, it is rising. So the order is being processed. To see the orders that you have made, just go to the website, click on this, get the order logs. You can see all the orders that you have made and their progress. If you have any concerns, you can always click on WhatsApp here and you just talk to the customer support and they will be at your service.